want to curse.
Lamarr Wilson.
I didn't get to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back to another video. Back to another box. Why? Maybe I put it in the thumbnail already. But I have a Nintendo Switch and Wonder Woman. They've been married together thanks to this company called SlickWraps. Now, this is not a sponsor. They're not paying me. And so he sent this out for me to showcase. And at the end, if you stick around, there's going to be a little giveaway for you. It won't be this one, but it'll be whatever it is over there. Stay tuned. So, I'm going to... So, you probably saw it already on the thumbnail. I did not see it. I just knew they had a Wonder Woman skin. Oh, I want to curse. Ah! Sorry, I had to get it out. That is so bad. I mean, bad and like good, like what the kids say in the 90s or something. All right. Oh my God. Okay, so the Switch. Let's just start. Let's start with the Switch. Now this is a skin, but dang, it don't look. It's so perfectly put on here. So this is. Okay, so this is a Nintendo Switch. You know that, okay? But as you can see there, you can see Wonder Woman on the side, and on the back, there she is. And I'll do some more close-ups to show you the little details, like on the bottom. Everything is just put on perfectly and professionally. It looks so good. This is a work of art. This is going in a cabinet somewhere. Oh my God. So oh, you put the Joy-Con in, it fills out the whole picture. Oh my God. This is, wait, I put this on wrong. Oh my God. So you got Wonder Woman in the front, Wonder Woman in the back, just the way I'm sorry. There's more. There's more. There's more. Okay. I'm not ready for this. What a Sunday. Even though it's not Sunday. All right. I mean, for you it is. Okay. So that same skin right there. This is. I think I know what's happening here. We're building out. Let me see. SlickWraps! Do you realize what you did? Guys, look what they did. Okay, so you get part of Wonder Woman there, and you're wondering, okay, that's kind of cheap of them to not even put her all on there. But then you complete it, and it's the whole... What is going on? That is so great. I'm sorry. I had to. Okay, and they sent the Joy-Con controller holder. Oh, yes. Same. So you see that right there? If I stop smiling this whole video, I'm sorry. You put these in there. Oh man. I'm shaking. Okay. Oh, wow. And then you get the full... Sorry. SlickWraps, dang. Marrying Wonder Woman and Nintendo, two of my favorite things. Wait. Okay. This is detail right here. I'm sorry. Hold on. Where's the other one? Where's... These. These have Wonder Woman on. It's like these little details. Like, it doesn't... And this one still has the dark skin on it. Like, it... Okay, which one is it? Guys, they were that thoughtful. I love you, SlickWraps. John, you single? No. Remind me to cut that out, because I was just kidding. I was just thinking, is the power brick too? Dang, what? No, okay, they didn't do that. I can't even put this back right. I have another Switch over there for one of you. Here's how this is going to work. SlickWraps is doing the giveaway. They will be picking a comment below, and they will ultimately be sending this out. My job is to showcase it. So this is, I didn't even realize what this was. I thought it was just like a note. So this is, I wonder what they skinned in here. Okay, so this is one of the skins that you could do to make your Switch a Nintendo Entertainment System, like that original. That's bad. So you can put these on yourself, and they're really easy to put on. So I guess the winner will be getting these. And what I don't know what, because he wasn't going to send another Wonder Woman. So what? I put it backward, upside down. This is what you all win? Oh no, I'm getting this one. Sorry, this is clean. So okay, so this is a Nintendo themed one. Wow, let me go ahead. I don't want to mess with it too much because this is the giveaway one, but it says Nintendo in the back. This is clean. Got that white, little off-white there going on. I'm gonna open it but I don't put it back really, because this one I don't even think I'm sending. I'm sending like back to them. Oh, I get it now. You're gonna win this. It's the Super Nintendo skin. Can I have this one too? No, okay. But look at the back. Okay, whoa, that's bad. That is, wow. What? Look at you get to win, have a chance to win, and you put this in. Oh my God, what else? Oh, look at the Joy-Con holder. You get to win all this. So that's how the Joy-Cons look. This one is bad. I mean, like, this one is like God. But this one is bad. Not only will you get the Super Nintendo skinned Switch, you will also get the original Nintendo. So let's say you already have a Switch. You can put this skin on it or give it to one of your friends. Number one, you need to be a subscriber of me and the SlickWraps YouTube channel. Their link will be below. John, who is the owner of SlickWraps, will be checking when he chooses the winner. He will be verifying that you're subscribed to both, and if you're not, you will not be messaged. So just make sure that you're subscribed. And number two, leave a comment below saying which one was your favorite, the Wonder Woman or the Super Nintendo skin. And based on those comments, I don't know if he used random, whatever. I'm not involved, but those are the two requirements. No extra website this time. You know, I like using that site. This time we're just doing it right on the comments. So kill those comments and also kill that like button. I'm gonna give this about a week. I will post who the winner is on this video. I will put it in the description a week from now. So if you want to know who wins, come back to the video. I will also post it on Twitter. Guys, make sure you do that right now. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you, SlickWraps, for providing this for me to showcase and put on a shrine somewhere. And thank you for giving me a Switch to share with some lucky person in the audience. I really appreciate that. From anywhere in the world, somebody may get a chance to have their life changed a little bit. So that's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up the video. Don't forget that. That's important too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!